In this video, we'll show you how to clean the Live Satin 5 bronze watch, which will develop a beautiful patina over time. Patina is a unique feature that allows your watch to get its own personal natural color as the bronze on it ages. Should you ever wish to go back to the original bronze color, we're going to show you how to do so. Before you get started, remove the strap and make sure that the crown is fully closed. Since you'll be using water, you don't want any moisture getting in and damaging the internal precision parts. Take the watch head, immerse it in warm water and place it to the side. Create a cleaning paste by mixing 2 tablespoons of baking powder with lemon juice. Let the watch sit in the paste for about 20 minutes. Cover the bronze titanium with a paste and rub it in using a toothbrush to get to hard to reach spots. If you don't have a toothbrush, no worries, you could just use your fingers. Rinse the paste off with warm water and then use a microfiber cloth to dry the watch thoroughly. And check that out, what a bronze beauty!